Today we're going to talk about the magic wand in 3 minutes or less. My name is Joshua.
I am Lucas.
And I'm Eric.
Eric and Lucas are licensed professional counselors, and this comes from a course on our website, which can be found at empoweringchoices.community or in our parenting app by searching Empowering Choices Parenting in the App Store. So the magic wand, is this something I can just wave around and
I forgot to bring mine. I have one in my office.
Do you?
Yeah, I literally have a magic wand prop sitting on my desk.
Nice.
This just lived there. I got it from one of my coworkers when I worked at the state hospital. So I'll occasionally grab it in session and go clunk, 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 clunk. Oh, it appears to be out of charges. Sorry. That's always how I use it in session.
Nice.
We've got about 4 of them in our playrooms too.
Oh, right. Yeah, I'm imagining they work great for
they're kind of a
play
fun
therapy.
thing. Yeah. It's the magic wand idea is that because we've talked about structure, we've talked about consistency, we've talked about rules, we've talked about routines, we've talked about discipline, and with all of that in place and working, there are going to be times where your child is just not responding the way that they normally would, and you don't know why. Now we have some tools in our toolbox to kind of look at some of these different things and be able to, kind of help you be able to determine what's going on. But the idea of the magic wand is that at any given time, you can wave the magic wand and change everything.
Would you say that the magic wand is an advanced tool
Advanced.
that you need
Yeah.
to have only after you have those fundamentals in place?
Definitely so. And one of the most basic fundamentals you have to have first and foremost is that teamwork with your partner. Because if you wave that magic wand and you're not on the same page, you're going to undermine them or they're going to undermine you. So it's a tool to where you may come to your partner and say, something's not right here. We've got to make some changes. Let's pull that magic wand. Let's erase some different things. Let's see if we can't, restart over in some different ways. We talk about, how to be able to do that in the courses and the manual.
And some of the things that you might theoretically change would be like, okay, well, in this situation, we need bedtime to be earlier or later than the established structure. Or we told Johnny that he's grounded for a week because of what happened, but we need to bring the magic wand out and we need to make that, I don't know, maybe even longer, depending on what evidence came out. Or that maybe that consequence needs to go away based on something's not right here. We discovered, oh, that's happening. So that consequence doesn't apply anymore.
Right.
So we wave it away.
The magic wand isn't to simply eliminate things. It's to kind of lift things until you know more about what's going on behind the scenes that you may not have known.
So you could use it on a temporary basis of we are putting this on hold or pause while we continue to investigate.
Exactly.
That's a good kind of gradation of, it's not just an absolute like gone forever. It's like, no, this is magic wand. Like this is fairies.
Bring it back.
This is fairies and rainbows type magic. You can do whatever you want with it.
It reminds me of that commercial, Got Junk, and they point at the pile and it disappears, and the thing is you can point and then it reappears, and that's the way it is with the magic wand.
Right. And I think with so many of these tools, like we want to empower parents to use the power that they have to parent. I mean, it all sounds really redundant, but like you have power, you should use it, and you can use it in so many different ways. Right. You could use it, at power level 2 or 10, and that's all within your capabilities.
Yeah. And if I had a magic wand, I would wave it and give us more time, but we're out of time.
Boy, we'd really wish for some more of that lots of times.
I've always wished for the extra day in the week that no one else has.
No one else has.
Yeah.
Just for me,
just
not
for me to get ahead. So
there you go.
But we do know that your life and schedule are busy, and that's why we've made so many different ways for you to consume this content easily through our app by searching Empowering Choices Parenting in the App Store, or on our website at empoweringchoices.community. Make sure to check it out. You can go through the courses. You can take optional quizzes. We have a tons more of material there about all of this. So we'll see you on the next show.
Go for it. Consume content.